Selecting the right breeding pair. Choosing healthy and genetically sound Chihuahuas. Health screening and genetic testing. The importance of pre-breeding health checks. Before embarking on the journey of breeding Chihuahuas, it is imperative to start with a solid foundation, healthy and genetically sound breeding dogs. The process begins with pre-breeding health checks, conducted to identify any existing health issues that might be passed on to the offspring. This step is a cornerstone of responsible breeding. Recommended health tests for Chihuahuas. Testing for hereditary conditions. Among the recommended health tests for Chihuahuas, the evaluation for hereditary conditions is paramount. Chihuahuas are prone to conditions like patellar luxation, heart disease, and dental issues. A thorough examination by a veterinarian can reveal any pre-existing concerns and help mitigate them. Eye examinations. Chihuahuas are also at risk for eye conditions such as progressive retinal atrophy. Regular eye examinations can detect these issues, ensuring that breeding dogs have optimal visual health. DNA testing for genetic disorders. Modern genetic testing provides invaluable insights into a Chihuahua's genetic makeup. By screening for genetic disorders, breeders can make informed decisions to prevent the transmission of hereditary diseases. The role of a veterinarian in assessing a Chihuahua's overall health. Veterinarians play a pivotal role in the assessment of a Chihuahua's overall health. They conduct a thorough examination, interpret test results, and provide guidance on breeding suitability. A clean bill of health from a trusted veterinarian is an essential credential for breeding dogs. Conformation and breed standards. Understanding breed standards specific to Chihuahuas. Each dog breed has a set of breed standards that outline the ideal physical and behavioral characteristics. For Chihuahuas, these standards detail the desirable traits and qualities that define the breed. The significance of conformation in breeding. Conformation refers to the dog's physical structure and how closely it adheres to breed standards. Conformation is a fundamental aspect of breeding, as it influences the physical attributes and temperament of the offspring. Identifying physical characteristics and traits that meet breed standards. In selecting a breeding pair, it is essential to identify physical characteristics and traits that align with Chihuahua breed standards. These may include body size, coat type, ear shape, and even behavioral traits. The role of dog shows and breed clubs in assessing conformation. Dog shows and breed clubs provide a platform for evaluating the conformation of Chihuahuas. These events offer breeders the opportunity to showcase their dogs and receive expert feedback on their alignment with breed standards. Considering temperament and behavior. The importance of assessing temperament in Chihuahuas. While physical attributes are vital, temperament and behavior are equally significant in Chihuahua breeding. A Chihuahua should not only look the part but also exhibit the breed's characteristic temperament. Evaluating the behavior and personality of potential breeding dogs. Assessing the behavior and personality of potential breeding dogs involves observing how they interact with humans, other animals, and their environment. Desirable Chihuahua traits include alertness, confidence, and affection. Assessing the mother's temperament and behavior for maternal instincts. For brood bitches, maternal instincts are crucial. It's essential to evaluate the mother's temperament and behavior to ensure she will provide nurturing care to her puppies. Ensuring that both potential parents have desirable Chihuahua traits. The ideal breeding pair should exhibit Chihuahua-specific traits in both physical conformation and temperament. The goal is to produce offspring that represent the breed's characteristics in every aspect. Stud dog and brood bitch selection. The criteria for selecting a stud dog. Health, conformation, and temperament requirements. When choosing a stud dog, breeders should look for health, conformation, and temperament that align with breed standards. These three factors are the pillars of breeding success. Proven breeding record. A proven breeding record demonstrates a stud dog's ability to sire healthy, high-quality puppies. Breeders should seek evidence of successful previous litters. Compatibility with the brood bitch. Compatibility between the stud dog and brood bitch is essential. Their genetics and personalities should complement each other to produce well-rounded offspring. The criteria for selecting a brood bitch. Health, conformation, and temperament requirements. Brood bitches should meet the same health, conformation, and temperament criteria as stud dogs. These factors collectively influence the puppy's quality. Age and reproductive history. The age and reproductive history of a brood bitch are important considerations. Breeding dogs should be of an appropriate age and have a healthy reproductive history. Compatibility with the stud dog. Compatibility between the brood bitch and the stud dog is a two-way street. Both dogs should complement each other to enhance the breeding outcome. Matching stud dogs and brood bitches to complement each other's strengths and weaknesses. Effective breeding involves pairing stud dogs and brood bitches that complement each other's strengths and weaknesses. This strategic approach aims to create a balanced and healthy litter. The role of a responsible breeder in facilitating successful pairings. A responsible breeder takes on the vital role of facilitating successful pairings. This involves a deep understanding of the breed, genetics, and the unique characteristics of individual dogs. Selecting the right breeding pair is the cornerstone of responsible Chihuahua breeding. Breeders must meticulously assess health, genetics, conformation, temperament, and compatibility to ensure the offspring meet breed standards and represent the best of Chihuahua characteristics. By paying careful attention to these factors, breeders can set the stage for a successful and ethical breeding program.